Hello YouTube, back again with another video or review. Today we got the Yita Motors leveling kit for my Chevy Silverado 2017. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, this is the item here that we got, the Yita Motors leveling kit. I guess they have the same box for the wheel spacers and the leveling kit, and I did have the leveling kit. That's what I have. I don't have the spacers. Pretty much it says product inbox may vary from image, so it tells you right there that this is not exactly what you're going to be getting. I used to buy from Yita Motors a long time ago. I used to buy parts, you know, for my vehicles. And usually I'll see them on eBay. That's where I used to order my parts. But I guess now they're on Amazon, so I guess they maybe became a better company now, or a more known company. But yeah, this is the leveling kit. It was one of the cheapest that I could find. It was about $15 or something like that. And great deal there, because most of them were like $50 just for this leveling kit. And it's just two pieces of metal with 4 bolts, you know, with 4 screws. That's how it is, so it's no big deal. Let's see here what we got on the box. This says join our Facebook group, promotions, installation information. So basically you get 2 of these. You get 2 of these, and then you get some hardware. You get some bolts. These are the spacers. I guess it's like 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Look pretty decent quality. I only see some metal showing here. That's about it. Looks pretty decent. It's aluminum, so see, you get some defects right there. I mean, that's okay, because it's gonna go under the vehicle anyways, and you're not gonna see all that. So as long as this doesn't break and this functions as it should be okay. I mean, it's a piece of metal. That's all it is. And the shocks will be resting on this part, so you know, as long as it's nice and solid, it should be okay. And these are the bolts that came in the kit, if I can get them out. Looks like you get some nuts, some washers, and some lock nuts. Nice finish. Not bad. Alright, let me tell you guys what happened. I see these pieces right here. Pretty much these are the pieces that I had left over. These rubber pieces are the bottom control arm. That's where it hits. Like if it bottoms out, like if the tire goes all the way down, that's the rubber that stops it, you know, from like being like metal to metal. And pretty much we had to take they had to take those off, because I didn't do this. Somebody else did it. These 2 pieces of metal is the middle part. This strut is actually smaller. It's smaller than the one that I have. So this is probably like an older Silverado. My strut is a lot fatter than that, and they actually had to cut the thing because it wouldn't fit on the sides. It's to be pretty. It's pretty big, the round part, pretty wide, and cutting it was the only way to fit it on there. I mean, it seems to be okay. It's doing the job. You know, it's holding it pretty good. It did lift the vehicle. But yeah, we actually had to cut that part. And that was something I wasn't really happy with it, you know, because I wanted something that was going to fit on my vehicle. And those are the pieces that are left over. That's the back part of those two pieces. And pretty much the strut was so fat that we had to actually you could grind part of it off without cutting the middle part if the strut wasn't as fat, you know. But since this strut was real fat, they just had to cut the whole middle piece out. And I'll show you guys a picture of it installed. Alright, as you guys see on the first picture, that's in my house actually. You can see that it did the job. Pretty much it's leveled. It raised the front about maybe 2.5 or so inches. That was just barely when they finished doing this. After a while it settled down. It actually went down a little bit. It went down to about 1/2 inch. So the back is actually higher than the front, so it's not really leveled. You can't really tell the difference, not unless you get like a ruler or something like that. But yeah, I kind of like it. You know, I like the way it looks. Actually, I like it better. It looks a lot better than what it used to look stock. But yeah, and the second picture, as you see right there, I took it out for a drive. The front is a little, it's not as high as the back, but it's hard to tell, like only if you like stare at it and look at it. But overall, I gotta say, the ride quality is okay. It's the same as the stock ride quality. That didn't change anything. But would I recommend this to somebody else? Well, that's a good question. Maybe if they would have said specifically this is for older vehicles, like for the 2000 to like 2007 or so, the Silverado Classic. If they would have mentioned that, I wouldn't have bought it. But they didn't say anything pretty much. And that was the only downside. I did took a picture of the item when I bought it. Alright, the first picture that you see is the one that I bought. It's the Joby motors. As you can see, it tells you it's a 2007 to a 2018. It's compatible. Maybe I think it's an older version of this because, well, it could be 2007 to 2014, but not if it's 16, 17, 18, it's not compatible. Definitely not compatible with mine. But yeah, and the total price, it was like 25 something, like $26. Yeah. And another one I was looking at this Rough Country 2 leveling kit. It says 2007 to 2018. So this is pretty much the same as the other one, but you see how this the back part is thinner. That's probably what mine needed to have done. And plus, even with that, the strut wouldn't fit on the sides. Not just because of that part. It's just too fat. You know, fat and wide. So, I don't know if these are wider or not. I'm probably going to end up replacing it with something else. Either this or the one that goes on top of the ones that goes on top of the struts or the shock. So I'm still thinking about if I'm going to replace it. Really not that happy with this kit. I mean, I'm okay with it now since I already did all this. But yeah, I'm not really happy with this kit. Might just go and buy myself another one. Alright, well, I just want to make this video, let you guys know what was going on. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.